Alright, you guys, got the Patrick Starrr spray to take off my makeup. We'll see how that works out later today. And also got the wipes because I want to test both of them out. We'll see you guys soon. We'll see how they react. Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Alright, so I went ahead and put on my PJs, took out my earrings, the whole words, get ready for bed. But before I do that, what do we got to do? Wash our skin. So I did get, obviously from the video that you guys seen, the one size only, which is this one, the spray. Now this one retails for $24, and I also got the wipes, and the wipes retail for $15. So we got both of them. I wanted to try definitely both. I wanted to see Patrick Starrr. I feel like he's a really nice, humble person. So, don't know him personally, but I feel like, let me go ahead and try his products. And when it comes to the packaging, I'll be honest, I like it. Red, you can never go wrong. Classic red, you just can't go wrong. It's just gorgeous. The details for how he went, I'll be honest, I'm amazed. So I haven't tried any of it yet, so this is my first impression, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so before I do anything, let me go ahead and take off my lashes. I've been wanting to take these off for the longest, but let me wait because I want to do the video. So it goes the lashes. Alright, I'm going to put them on a little piece of tissue, and then I'm going to clean them off later. Alright, but for now, we're going to see how this works, okay? So obviously we got these as well, like I said, and it has the little seal like this, which I really like. Now this, as a mom, I'll be honest, just me, I just feel like it's like baby wipes, but I like it. I feel like it's a really good size compared to some that you see for like your face. This is really nice. I like the feeling. It feels strong. I love that you could open and close. I definitely love that. Cause for me, I hate the ones that you could just rip off and it just has a sticker that's it. I like that it has like the little plastic clip, and I love that. And it's easy to travel with, so perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now obviously you got this one. We'll talk about the details later. It is vegan and cruelty free, so definitely good job on that. So let's go ahead and take this off. Now before I proceed, I'm just going to mist it a little bit. I don't know if you have to shake it, but I don't feel nothing when I shake. So let's see. You see anything? Well, you can see a little something. So trying to see if I smell anything. It smells fresh. It's hard to explain. It does have a scent, but it smells fresh. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. My son needed something real quick. But alright, so we got the spray. But before I proceed with that, I'm going to go ahead and open the wipes because I definitely want to use both. I want to go ahead and do the spray and then also the wipes. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to do it on the camera for you guys. Alright. So personally, I'm going to take the whole thing off. It's not a big deal for me. Alright. And then let's get this ready. Oh, wait, serious? Okay. Alright. It smells fresh. I'm trying to think of the way it smells. It doesn't smell perfumey, but obviously there's some kind of fragrance in here. Obviously, I feel with both. So, and I do have sensitive skin, so we'll see how I react. I'm pretty sure I feel like I'll be fine with this one, but you never know. Alright, so first, I'm just going to have it ready just in case. First, let's go ahead and start with the spray. So, they do say to do like the circle and then do like the S. I'm just honestly going to spray it just like whatever. So, here we go. Whoa. Feel like, it does look, whoa. It does look like, oh, I like the way it feels. It's like a really nice misty. I wish there was a setting spray that was like that, like a nice misty. I don't know. I like it. Okay, so far I like that. And I can open my eyes, so that was good. So now I'm going to go, whoa. Okay, he wasn't lying about this. Whoa, it's like my whole head. Boom. So I definitely like that. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with my eyes because that's usually the hardest one. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I like that. And I do a lot of the baking, the contour.
the whole works. I'll be honest, I couldn't wait to try this because I was like, man, especially I love when I could try something before I go to sleep. Let's see. It feels nice and soft. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. I'm sorry, just not to put it in a bad way, but it does not feel cheap. It feels like high quality. Definitely love that. And it feels really soft. Definitely love that. Alright, there goes the eyebrows. Plus the eyes. Not bad. I'll be honest, not bad. Let's see. You could definitely clean your whole face with this towel. I'm not gonna lie. It feels really nice and gentle. Doesn't smell, and it feels like I could definitely look at that. Look how ugh. That is just ugh. My goodness. I usually use my Clinique to cleanse my face. I feel like I like that one just because it doesn't cleanse my pores. But this one so far feels really nice. It feels nice and moisturizing. Now, I am oily skin as well, but I did notice it goes for any skin type, so that's definitely a plus, which is nice. Whoa. I'm trying to see if I need to do the eyes. Let me see. So far, it's not irritating my eyes, so that's good. Let's see. Whoa. These are really nice. I'll be honest. So far, I'm liking it. I'll be honest. I hope they have these for travel sizes later, because I'm definitely liking this. Now, obviously, if you want to preserve your wipies, obviously, I will put them in a plastic container. But, trying to see. Like, whoa. It just, I ain't gonna lie, when you glide it, it feels nice and soft. I'm not sure if the spray combined with this, but I definitely like it. Let's see. Whoa. I feel like I didn't even use, honestly, the whole thing. Like, well, look at this. Oh my goodness. Like, it really took all the gunk out. And I had eyelashes falsies today on, so to me, like, even the glue, and it doesn't feel dry, it feels soft. Ah, I like it. So far, first impression, I'll be honest, I do like it. I like it. Okay, honestly, I like it. Now I'm excited now to see what other products he's going to come up with, because now I'm excited. I like it. It feels nice and soft. They are thick. And they don't smell perfumey. Like, you can tell there's a scent, but it doesn't smell like, whoa, like, you know, it throws you off. Huh. Really like, and I like that it doesn't make your skin feel dry. I feel like it's nice condition. Obviously, after this, you still want to wash your face. This is more like a pre-cleansing before you do anything. But I definitely like this for makeup. Oh my goodness. I'll be honest, I am amazed. I am amazed. Whoa. I'll be honest. This and this combined, the spray, it's just like a nice mist. It doesn't feel wet. It just feels like a nice mist over your face. However he created it, oh my god, I ain't gonna lie, I love this thing. Just, whoa. I like it. Would I be buying this again? Yes. And I bought these with my own money, so I'm just like, well, I was excited, so like, let me see. I'll be honest, I would definitely be purchasing this again. The spray, oh my goodness, this is just, whoa, I love it. You just gotta get the feeling. Hopefully they come a miniature size, because, oh my god, I like it. And this is 111 ml, which is 3.4 ounces. I think it's pretty good. It's gonna last you a while. You can tell, because with this, just a mist. You need a little bit, goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way with this. And with this, the wipies compared to the ones that are out there right now, I will be honest, I like it. The reason why I do like it, it takes everything off. Obviously, it feels nice and smooth. It doesn't dry your skin, and I like that it's thick. That's what I like. Like, one of this will do the trick. Usually I have to use like one or two sometimes. No, this is really good, really good. All right, well, my final thoughts on this personally, first impression right now, good job. I like it. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what else he will be coming up with. I like it. Definitely highly recommend. So far, buying this, I would definitely keep you guys posted if I feel like it breaks me out or anything. But I feel like for some reason this is going to be a good one. But we will see. All right, my beautiful people. Well, don't forget, you guys have a good night. And don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.